When you think of Japan, what comes to mind? Maybe it's the delicious food, beautiful cherry blossoms, or cutting-edge technology. Did you know most of these iconic things to do in Japan are centered around Tokyo? This city is the epitome of Japan, where you can find anything from century-old temples to high-tech robot restaurants. But with so much to see and do, how do you decide where to start? That's why we're here to help you make the most out of your trip. Get ready for an adventure through the streets of Tokyo. Let's get started. Number 10. Explore Shinjuku's Golden Gai. When you think of Tokyo, images of towering skyscrapers may come to mind. Amidst this urban jungle lies a hidden gem waiting to be discovered, the Golden Gai in Shinjuku. Nestled between the bustling Kabukicho Entertainment District and the quiet residential area of Golden Gai, this neighborhood features over 200 tiny bars, restaurants, and clubs packed into a single square kilometer. Despite its small size, this place has plenty of charm. The narrow alleys lined with retro neon signs create a unique atmosphere unlike any other part of town. It's like stepping back in time to an old-school Tokyo. Plus, thanks to its convenient location near Shinjuku Station, it's easily accessible by train. So if you're looking for something different from the typical tourist spots, head over to Shinjuku's Golden Gai. You won't regret it. And who knows, maybe you'll even make some new friends along the way. Number 9. Wander through If you're in Tokyo, you can't miss Shinjuku. This trendy neighborhood has been gaining popularity among young people for its vintage fashion, live music venues, and cozy cafes. It's also known as the birthplace of J-pop, which makes it a must-visit destination for any fan of Japanese pop music. Shimokita is a great place to explore on foot, as there are several shopping streets to choose from. You can browse through unique stores, selling clothes, accessories, and home goods that you won't find anywhere else. In addition to shopping, Shimokitazawa offers plenty of dining options, from casual eateries to izakayas, Japanese pubs, serving local cuisine. There's something for everyone here. And don't forget to check out the retro game centers where you can play classic arcade games while sipping on a cup of coffee or tea. Shimokitazawa truly has something for everyone. No. 8. Shop till you drop at Omotsundo Hills. Are you a shopaholic? If yes, then Omotsundo Hills in Tokyo is the place for you. This upscale shopping complex is home to over 100 boutiques featuring high-end fashion brands such as Chanel, Dior, and Miu. So if you're looking to update your wardrobe with some designer pieces, this is the place to shop. But Omotsundo Hills isn't just about fashion. The complex also houses art galleries, beauty salons, and cafes where you can take a break from shopping and admire the contemporary art exhibitions or get a manicure while sipping on a cup of coffee. The building itself is designed like a hill with escalators winding through it, offering stunning views of the city skyline. Whether you want to do some retail therapy or simply window shop, Omotsundo Hills is worth a visit. Number 7. Dive into the electric town of Akihabara. Are you an otaku looking for your next anime fix? Look no further than Akihabara, Tokyo's electric town. This neighborhood has everything an otaku could ask for. From manga and anime stores to maid cafes and cosplay shops, you can browse through thousands of anime and manga titles, buy limited edition figurines of your favorite characters, and immerse yourself in the world of Japanese animation. But Akiba isn't just for otaku. The area is also known for its retro gaming culture, with many stores selling vintage game consoles and arcade games. You can even try your hand at classic games like Pac-Man or Space Invaders while sipping on a cup of coffee. Don't forget to visit one of Akiba's many maid cafes, where you can enjoy a relaxing atmosphere and friendly service. Overall, Akiba is a must-visit destination for anyone interested in Japanese pop culture. No. 6. Take a trip back in time at Yanaka-ginza. Yanaka-ginza is a charming district located in Tokyo that's famous for its nostalgic atmosphere and traditional Japanese architecture. As soon as you step foot into this neighborhood, you'll feel like you've traveled back in time to an old-school Tokyo. The narrow alleys lined with wooden buildings and shops create a unique ambiance that's unlike the modern cityscape of Tokyo. One of the main attractions in Yanaka-ginza is its traditional market, Yanaka-ginza. Held twice a year, this festival showcases various Japanese cultural performances such as taiko drumming and lion dances, as well as food stalls selling local specialties like grilled eel and sweet rice cakes. But beyond the bustling market area, Yanaka-ginza is also home to several historical sites, like the Yanaka Cemetery, which dates back to the Edo period. Visitors can explore centuries-old tombs and shrines nestled amidst peaceful gardens. Whether you're looking for unique souvenirs or simply want to experience authentic Japanese culture, Janaka Ginza has something for everyone. No. 5. Get lost in Harajuku's Tokashita Street. Are you ready to experience the ultimate shopping destination in Tokyo? Look no further than Harajuku's Takashita Street. This lively neighborhood is renowned for its trendy fashion, unique accessories, and delicious street food. From colorful crepes to fluffy pancakes, you'll find plenty of sweet treats to satisfy your cravings. Plus, the stylish locals dressed in the latest fashion trends will inspire you to experiment with your own style. With numerous clothing stores offering everything from kawaii accessories to edgy leather jackets, Tokashita Street is a paradise for fashion enthusiasts. And don't forget to snap some photos at the iconic Shibuya crossing, the world's busiest pedestrian intersection. Whether you're looking to revamp your wardrobe or simply stroll around and soak up the vibrant atmosphere, Takashita Street has something for everyone. No. 4. Indulge your inner foodie at sea. When in Tokyo, you must visit Tsukaji, the city's premier destination for all things food. This underground shopping street located in Shinjuku is a labyrinth of mouth-watering delights. From yakitori and ramen to okonomiyaki and more, you'll find it all here. The street is lined with tiny restaurants and bars serving up authentic Japanese cuisine at reasonable prices. You can grab a quick bite to eat on the go, or sit down and savor the flavors of Japan. Don't forget to try some Japanese whiskey or beer to complete your culinary experience. Tsukaji is not just a place to eat, but also a cultural hub where you can immerse yourself in traditional Japanese drinking culture. Visit during lunchtime for a fantastically cheap set menu and a true taste of Japanese cuisine. No. 3. Explore the tranquility of Koishikawa Korakuen Garden. Are you seeking a peaceful oasis away from the hustle and bustle of the city? Look no further than Koishikawa Korakuen Garden in Tokyo. This serene landscape was designed in the early 18th century and boasts beautiful ponds, waterfalls, and traditional Japanese architecture. Stroll along the winding paths and admire the lush greenery surrounding you. Rent a boat and paddle around the tranquil waters, or simply relax on a bench while taking in the calming atmosphere. Koishikawa Korakuen Garden is also home to various seasonal flowers, including cherry blossoms in spring and momiji maple trees in autumn. No matter when you visit, you're sure to be amazed by the garden's ever-changing beauty. No. 2. Wander through the enchanting Shinjuku Gion National Garden. The Shinjuku Gion National Garden is a hidden gem in the heart of Tokyo. This expansive green space offers a peaceful retreat from the city's hustle and bustle. Designed in the early 20th century, the garden features a perfect blend of traditional Japanese landscaping and Western-style gardens. As you wander through the park, you'll discover beautiful ponds, statues, and greenhouses filled with exotic plants. Cherry blossoms in spring and autumn foliage make for breathtaking views. Whether you're looking for a quiet place to reflect or an escape from the crowds, the Shinjuku Gion National Garden is worth exploring. Just be sure to plan ahead and book your tickets online as they tend to sell out quickly. Number 1. Experience the ultimate robot adventure at Robot Restaurant. Are you ready for an unforgettable night out in Tokyo? Look no further than the Robot Restaurant. Located in Shinjuku, this unique dining experience combines delicious food with non-stop robot entertainment. From serving robots to cooking robots, you'll witness a spectacle like no other. The restaurant's interior is decked out with flashing lights, giant screens, and mechanical marvels that will leave you in awe. But the fun doesn't stop there. The Robot Restaurant also features live music, dancing robots, and even acrobatics. It's an immersive experience that will leave you feeling energized and entertained. But be prepared for a feast for the eyes as well as the stomach. The Robot Restaurant is truly a feast for the senses and an adventure you won't forget. So what do you think? Will you be adding any of these places to your travel itinerary? Let us know in the comments below. And if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like and subscribe for more exciting content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.